how to delete profile lock in your Netflix account in your mobile phone. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Netflix application. Here in your Netflix homepage, so you can see the profile lock here. So the chat is locked. To delete this lock, this profile lock, okay, you'll have to do is tap the edit button on the upper right side on your screen. And now you can see the pencil icon on this profile. Okay, you can tap this and go to profile lock. So the profile lock is on. Okay, to delete this, you'll have to do is tap this. And you can see the delete profile lock button here. Okay, you can tap this and enter the profile lock. And are you sure you want to delete this profile lock? Okay, tap the yes button. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully delete profile lock in your Netflix account in your mobile phone. So as you can see, the profile lock icon on this profile is now remove or delete. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.